Aries, this is your channel messages for the 9th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, Aries. So after following up a survey with YouTube yesterday, Aries, I gave my honest opinion. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. If you don't want me to, sweetie, I'll never tell you to lie. Why should I lie? Anyway, so I did not lie. And maybe after mentioning in the comment that I was very fond of X, maybe a little bit above YouTube, them strike me for one of my videos saying that I was promoting hate speech. Now let me tell you something. We here at the Hierophant Guru, we don't want to promote any hate speech. We're not here to endorse any violence, endorse any homophobic lifestyle or commentatorship to people who is of a certain lifestyle, and we're not here to spread any type of violence or anything that is low vibrational on this channel. When you hear me talk, sometimes I talk with the possessive energy that I get from my cards, or I come from Jamaica, so I don't really have much filter, you understand? If you want me filter, you have to get me a grater so I can grater out what I'm thinking so that it can come out very shredded and nice, okay? So first of all, exactly, when you hear me talk here, it is where I have been born, coming from, my expressions, that's how I express information I get. So I don't want anybody to believe that that's what we're here to promote. Nevertheless, we do believe in free speech, which is why the X comment did come up, right? And we do believe in not only a narrative, because the last time YouTube updated so-called hate speech laws are 2015. We're in 2018 now. Gay people saying the F word, the F-A-G-G-A, gay people using that word loosely. So we need to update what we call hate speech. Or I don't know, maybe we need to get somebody younger for reanalyzing the thing. Nevertheless, we're not going to try to endorse what they say that I said. I never said. Anyone said that? I want to either. I never said that. I would never say that, okay? Nevertheless, we have to take what the boss says, because at the end of the day, yes, we can act like we're the most knowledgeable. We can act like we're the most baddest, but once we step into somebody's platform, business, we have to abide by their rules. Whether we think it's being discriminative, pretty done still of our channel. Like, pretty done still revenuing. So is it not? We never look up a pretty done channel for talk about speech. Anyways, this is a song that I would like to sing, just as a reply to that email, not email, to that video blog. Okay? It's just free speech. You understand? YouTube here is really about having fun as a content creator. Okay? It's not really about promoting any agenda. All right? You'll be charged for treason. So this is my song. YouTube technicians. Tell them something. What did haters them have to save? Me never die, you wanna die when me day. Man, you tell me YouTube like every day. Me talk about you like not one day. Neil, everybody just a follow me. Yo, me can't believe the one of them I hate. Me have my guard ups like every day. And yo, right now me need a key for the city. A YouTube plaque would have fit me. Me no record for 4 days, goodly sick me. One time I never used to care, but now me picky. Nobody grudge me coming. No yeah, nobody grudge me coming. No my job, somebody couldn't tell us, so I did obvious. But you know what, we are running the place, so them, you know, running the place, and we're not. Them say me need for show respect to the dead. Me know what some gal I made when I never put no weave on my head is. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe if I was putting weave on my head and talking hate speech, you guys would have just seen me as a trans person. Anyways, nevertheless, we're going into your reading, Aries. So let's go ahead and go into your reading, okay? All right, let's go. We're doing your birth chart spread. I think that's very popular. It gave a lot of introspection, 13 cards, which is, I mean, my lucky number. So let's go ahead and go into your reading, Aries. I won't be talking too much, believe me, believe me. Let's go. What's your self-image at the moment, Aries? Your self-image is a page of cups. So I'm getting you're very vulnerable, or you're trying to be very emotional and understanding. However, you are a page, so there's some type of immaturity that you want to grow from. What do you value right now? The Ace of Wands. You value your sexual prowess, you value your sexual experience, or maybe you just value the fact that you're a really good person to like start up stuff. You always have a new idea, you're always buzzing with inspiration or creativity. What is your communication like? The devil. Me getting maybe like how my communication was why YouTube removed my video. Tabernacle is Dead Sea Sakama, right? So I'm getting a communication right now. You're very scary. Nobody want to talk to you. I'm getting a lot of profanities, bomber clots, right? Or I'm getting a lot of aggressive talking, like, I'll murder you, I kill you. I will find where you live, and I will take that Pokemon back from you, right? I'm getting your communication is very demonic right now. Now be careful, because I feel like if you're very horny or you're having a lot of sex, that's why your communication may be off. Maybe you're talking very, very dirty or demonic. Yeah, talk about blood arguments, some weird arguments you tell people, okay? Like, oh yeah, you know, I'd kidnap you and put, like, yeah, say some weird arguments, okay? What is your home life like? The Page of Pentacles. Well, even though, I don't know if you feel like the more demonic you are is the more mature you seem, because page again. So, I don't know, maybe you're 20-something. You're 20-something, you just came into the world of porn, sex, or I don't know what you're doing. You're very sexually driven right now. No, I'm getting in your home, you're working from home, so that's something that, I don't know if you're a guy or a girl and you do porn, you do something online with your body, maybe you have sex online, or you do something online, okay? Because whatever you do online, you just start and it's making you a lot of money, all right? What is the creativity? The night of, yeah, I feel like this is something about sex or showing your body, showing how beautiful you are online. What's your productivity? Yeah, you don't want to do it. I'm sure you don't want to, but I'm getting he's a guy. I'm getting guy. This is the only man here. I'm getting you're a guy. You do something online. You do porn. You do OnlyFans. I don't know what you do. But I'm getting you're young. You're about 20. You don't reach 30 yet. So I don't know if this is something you hide. If you're a college student and you do this to make extra money, you don't want nobody know, sir. So. What's your partnership? Huh? The Two of Swords. Yeah, you know, I'm getting something about a Libra. So we have Capricorn here, Libra, right? So I'm getting, maybe that's what the thing is. You can't be with a girl or you can't be with this person because you do this for a living or you don't want them to know. Because I'm getting, you don't have a boyfriend, you don't have a girlfriend because this is what you do for a living. What's your inheritance? The Judgment. I'm getting in on the inheritance. You probably don't have anybody for support you or help you. Everybody here seems like a man. So I'm getting, if this is a man, I'm getting either your family die, you don't talk to them anymore, and this is just a lucrative extra way to make money. I'm getting you show your dick online, you masturbate online, you do something like that, but I'm getting, again, you're young. Maybe an older guy told you about this and introduced you to this, okay, but I'm getting, you're not an inheritance. When you're dead, you don't even know how you are going to bury, because you never come from that life. What's your philosophy? It is a star card. Well, you know, I'm getting you are supposed to show your body. Maybe there's something you're supposed to learn about the industry. Because your philosophy is a star Aquarius, which means you're famous people are going to look at your naked body, male or female. So maybe if you were working solo, I'm getting them appear with this woman. So you used to do this alone on camera, you're going to get paired with a woman now, industry. I'm getting you say you want to make a lot of money from this. I don't know if this is something you're starting or this is a business who's welcoming you, pairing you with another woman, but I'm getting you make a lot of money. That's going to be an inheritance for live your life because I'm getting you have none. People talk about you have savings. You can't have savings. Your mother and father never even left your inheritance. Or if you have savings, your mother and father never even make it towards can leave back assets or things for you. How if you have savings? No. Some people get 6 parents to start off with. Some people get 4 parents to start off with. Some people get 2. Some people get 1. Some people don't get none. And some people, the 2 or the 4 or the 6 or them get enough for them own. So if you have to go into sex as a man, oh the fuck well. A lot of women do it. So 50-50, right? Great. What's your ambition? Me getting you supposed to teach. So maybe you're not no weird sex, no gangbanging, no choking. Me getting something much. Maybe something like. Me getting something more softer. It might not even be sex at all. It might not even be penetration. To be very honest. Maybe something more romantic and passionate. What's your community? The 8 of one. Okay, so I'm getting your community. I watch you. Your community know your size and how you look. Your community is walking around telling people that your foot big. Yes, sir, your foot big because it's bigger. You never know that. Them a teaser say you have big. They're teasing you say you have Bigfoot. Wait my child. This is why I keep telling you to stay away from the hose. Stay away from the fucking hose. Because the hose don't understand you like I do. And I keep telling you, any single time you want to take yourself and you decide that you want to go back to a hole, go back to the hole. Call the pop. Go back to the hole. Wait, Aries. Man, this is something. Wait there. You're talking about all these allegations. Talking about, oh, I can't find my damn something. God, Jesus. Right, them teasers say you have Bigfoot, Aries. They say you had fucking Bigfoot. Okay, tell them say you're bigger. Tell them say you're bigger. Talking about you have Bigfoot. So what if you have Bigfoot? Nothing wrong with that. Nothing, no fucking wrong. So I'm getting everybody know, oh, look, your community probably sending around the video. Blah, blah, fucking blah. Okay, what is your inner self? The page of ones. Me getting you like the, me getting either your brother or somebody you know used to do this. Cause them one level over you. But me getting a one Leo, Aries, Sagittarius man teach you how to do this. So a man bring you on to do this. Now I don't know if you're doing videos with the man. But me getting, yeah, that's basically your inner self is your, this is what you want to do. Maybe afraid to tell people if you're in a college, me getting you're not going to pursue what you're doing in college. This is what you want to do. I'm getting a lot of you're very well endowed. And me getting is something you can control yourself. So what is your 13th card and overall energy ending your reading? It is a 9 of Wands. So your overall energy is stressed. You're very stressed out about something. Maybe a secret going to come to the light, or someone's just going to find out what the fuck is happening. We have $1 million baby though. So I know it's going to stress out if a lot of people identify who you are, but me getting a lot of money. You know, you don't have to worry about stress or people talking shit when you have money. You can't isolate yourself. Just like COVID. Use protection, right? Okay, so I'm getting you doing porn. The Magician. Illuminati. Yeah, this is what I'm getting. I'm getting you the porn. Or something. Or if you do this with one man, then I'm going to pair you with one woman for do it now. This could even be you and a Capricorn. We have Aquarius here, we have Capricorn here. One more. And evil. Well, of course, people, when you think it's evil, that you're equivalating your say magic, but duh, everybody will say, me know how to take my phone and my shoes, you know. Tell me no. Me not gonna tell you for gonna tell them. But anybody who take my shoes, I'm a cloth cat. I dead, I'm a cloth dead. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.